Update Google Docs access in just a few steps. Open the Google Docs app on your mobile device. Now, open the document that you want to share. In the top right corner, tap on the three dots icon. A side menu will appear on your screen. In the bottom, scroll down just a bit and tap on the Share and Export option. Then select Manage Access from the top. Under General Access, tap on Restricted. Change it to Anyone with the link. Currently, the access is set to Viewer. If you tap on it, you can select between Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Once the permission is updated, go back to the document. Tap on the three dots icon once again, and then select Share and Export. Here, tap on Copy Link at the top. The document link will now be copied to the clipboard. Now, you can send this to whomever you want through email or in any messaging app such as WhatsApp. And that's it.